Hey everyone, welcome to our channel where we review the latest gadgets and electronics. In today's video, we will compare two popular USB microphones, Rode NT USB Mini and piolunth USB microphone. Make sure to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Price-wise, the piolunth USB microphone is more budget-friendly at $45 compared to the Rode NT USB Mini, which is priced at $95. Both microphones offer high-quality sound, but the piolunth USB microphone has a 16mm mic capsule design, which delivers richer and more detailed sound. It also has a wide frequency response and high sound pressure level, allowing it to capture more real and delicate sound compared to the Rode NT USB Mini. The Rode NT USB Mini comes with an integrated pop filter and a magnetic base, making it easier to set up and use. Meanwhile, the piolunth USB microphone is more versatile, as it can be used for recording, streaming, voiceover, and YouTube video production. It also has a plug-and-play feature and is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux without the need for drivers and complex debugging. To summarize, both microphones offer high-quality sound, but the piolunth USB microphone has more features and is budget-friendly. However, the Rode NT USB Mini has an integrated pop filter and magnetic base for easier setup and use. Ultimately, your choice depends on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to let us know which one you prefer in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.